featuring Salman Khan and Tamannaah Bhatia enjoying a luxurious ride in a private jet. This script blends a new style and storytelling approach to engage viewers. Title: Salman Khan and Tamannaah Bhatia's luxurious private jet ride, inside story, background music, cinematic visuals of a private jet flying. Salman Khan and Tamannaah Bhatia montage. Bollywood's Baijan Salman Khan and the stunning Tamannaah Bhatia were recently spotted enjoying a high-class, ultra-luxurious ride in a private jet. But what's the reason behind this grand journey? A film shoot, a vacation, or something more? Stay tuned as we reveal exclusive details. Salman Khan is known for his love of luxury, and Tamannaah Bhatia is no stranger to high-class travel. The duo was recently seen boarding a private jet, and the interiors? Absolutely breathtaking. Plush leather seats, golden accents, a minibar, and all the high-tech features you'd expect in a billionaire's ride. Cut to footage of high-end jets, shots of Salman Khan and Tamannaah in travel mode. But the big question is, where were they heading? According to sources, the duo was en route to insert destination for a secret project. Is it a new film, a brand collaboration, or a private getaway? Let's dive deeper. Insert snippets of Salman and Tamannaah's recent projects, brand endorsements, and vacations. Show airport or jet boarding footage if available. Rumors suggest that this ride might be related to Salman Khan's upcoming film, where Tamannaah Bhatia has a special role. Fans have been speculating about a new collaboration between the two, and this trip could be a major hint. Another theory is that they were heading to an exclusive event or brand shoot. Both Salman and Tamannaah are faces of top brands, and a high-end collaboration isn't off the table. And of course, there's always the possibility that this was just a leisure trip, a break from their hectic schedules, soaking in luxury at 40,000 feet. Show fan tweets, Instagram comments, and media reactions. Include exciting comments and playful speculation. Host fans have been going crazy over this news. Social media is flooded with reactions. Some say it's for a new movie, while others think it's just two stars living the high life. One fan even joked, "Bai's private jet is fancier than my entire house." Ha ha. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Salman and Tamannaah's luxury lifestyle. Show clips of their past luxury experiences, expensive cars, vacations, private jet shots from previous events. Salman Khan has always been a man of luxury, from his massive car collection, including Rolls-Royce and Bentley, to his lavish Punjab farmhouse. Tamannaah, too, loves to travel in style, with designer outfits, five-star stays, and first-class flights. This private jet ride is just another chapter in their glamorous lives. Montage of Salman and Tamannaah, final thoughts, call to action. Host: whether it's a new film, a brand deal, or just a luxurious escape, one thing's for sure: Bollywood